Hi students, I wanted to take a minute before you start your first e-lesson out of Nora Bacon's Well-Crafted Sentence just to show you what you're going to see when you do one of these e-lessons. This is the beginning of our concentrated study on advanced grammar. We work out of a really good text written by Nora Bacon. As you'll see as you start getting into it, it's a really helpful guide that combines a grammar text with a sort of just a helpful writer's tool. All of you will become both better grammarians and better writers by having completed the entire book. And we are going to study all 8 chapters. It'll take us about 4 weeks to do so. And instead, on these e-lessons, instead of myself or Ms. Krug putting together a PowerPoint for you to watch, we're just going to assign you chapters out of the textbook to read. It's a short textbook. It's probably easier for you to just take notes out of that than pause our video over and over again. So I just wanted to show you really quickly what you're going to see. First things first, with each of these Bacon lessons, you'll see a PDF file. Open that up, and that is the chapter we want you to read. Here is chapter 1 of the Well-Crafted Sentence, called The Sentence's Working Parts. Just read through that. Okay. And you can tell this is a work text because Nora Bacon has emboldened all of these terms that you need to know. So don't miss that when you're taking your notes. Also, probably be a good idea to write down some of these charts, that sort of thing. But you know how to take notes on a text. I don't need to tell you that. So once you've read the text, and feel free to have that open while you're doing these exercises, all of the exercises that belong to or these Bacon lessons are going to be those document submission style of assignments where you can't just type in a box and click submit. You actually have to upload a document. So if you're still having trouble doing that, please come talk to me or Ms. Krug about those difficulties. If you're having any technical difficulties when trying to do these assignments, it's best to get out in front of them. Remember, technology issues do not excuse late work. So always do your homework the night it's assigned just to get ahead of any potential problems. So here's what you'll see when we open up an assignment. Here we go. I've copied this, kind of snapshotted it out of the textbook, and you'll see instructions, very simple. The following clauses are split into subject and predicate. Type out each sentence coloring the subject head word and predicate head word. Use a red font color for the subject, a green font color for the predicate, and I've given you an example here. Okay. Here I've got the subject I, which is in red, and can see as a verb. Most of you are probably running off Microsoft Word. You know how to color in or change the font color in Microsoft Word. It's just a matter of, let me find something here. Oh, I've got something open. Just highlighting the word and going up here and changing the color of it. Pretty basic. If you don't have Microsoft Word, no big deal. Google does this as well in Google Docs. If you go out to a fresh Google Doc, just highlight what you want to change the color of, and right up here change it to whatever color you need. And again, anytime you use Google Docs to complete one of these assignments where we ask you to upload the document, don't forget, before you finish, always download this document as a Microsoft Word file. Excellent. Once that's downloaded, then you can upload this file, that docx file, to your assignments. Yeah, upload a file, and it's just wherever your default save is, I believe. I can probably just click and drag. Oh, look at that! I can just click and drag. If you're using Chrome, which you should, that's pretty cool little thing there. Otherwise, I could have just gone up here to choose a file and found the file in my documents folder and all that stuff and uploaded it just fine. All right, that's the only thing I really wanted to go over, just to kind of give you a heads up on what you're going to see. Let me get back here. Yeah, once again, these lessons by Nora Bacon are designed to both expand your knowledge of basic English grammar and syntactic structures, as well as improve your writing. She goes into some great detail, not into just what you're seeing when you're writing a sentence, but the choices you have and why you should make certain choices over other choices when you're writing a sentence. So spend some time with these. I believe you assign you either one whole chapter a night or half a chapter a night. Spend some time on these. They're very helpful exercises, and we'll see you in class.